So, you've been revising your driving theory, watching all those hazard videos, and you think you're ready to pass, right? Well, here's a shocker. Some learners in the UK have taken their theory test dozens of times before finally passing. One person even spent over £1,700 just on theory test fees. Each attempt costs £23, and when nerves kick in, those costs can really add up. But before you laugh, it's not just about memorizing answers. The test actually checks your real understanding of road safety and hazard awareness. The theory test in the UK has two parts. First, multiple choice questions that test your knowledge of the highway code. Second, the hazard perception test, where you must spot dangers on the road in real time. It's a proper mental workout, not just a memory game. According to one of the driving schools, it's easy to underestimate the level of knowledge you need to pass. Many learners fail because of nerves, poor timing, or simply not revising enough. So if you're preparing right now, don't rush it. Make sure you study regularly, take practice quizzes, and understand why each answer is correct. And here's a key point for your practical test: don't book it until your instructor says you're ready to pass. Doing mock practical tests can help reduce nerves and build real confidence. You don't want to waste your time, or your money, on a test you're not ready for. Let's talk numbers. The UK's current theory test pass rate is around 45%, while the practical pass rate sits near 49%. That means half of learners fail on their first try, but remember, that's normal. The important thing is to learn from every mistake and keep improving. So, are you ready to pass your UK driving test? If you're serious about passing, revise smart, stay calm, and trust the process. Because getting that pink license isn't luck, it's preparation and confidence.